Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of JAYdotMAK. And we're back in the Mac yard, the backyard. And it looking like it might rain today, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get this video done. But last night, Nike via Nice Kicks has announced that one of my favorite shoes of all time is making its way back this fall, and that is the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2. Right here. Hot lava Andre Agassi OGs. Jesus Christ. Now this is the 2019 release right here. And like I said, being grown up in the 90s and being a kid that was born in 1983, I was like 10, 11 years old when these things first hit the market in the early 90s. And I mean, this shoe has everything that you want from a 90s retro shoe, right? It's got Nike Air on the back. You got your air bubble. You got your classic sole, which those of you guys that are too young to realize this, if you block out the top, right? That's actually the same sole that they used on the, I think it was the Yeezy 2s. One of the Yeezys. I think it was the Yeezy 2 that used this sole from the Air Tech Challenge 2. But if you see, like, a lot of the uppers with the bump in the back here and the way it kind of swoops up and almost has, like, a boot-like look to it, shares a lot in silhouette with the Nike Yeezys. But, I mean, Andre Agassi was a player that was known for being loud, outspoken. Motherfucker had a mullet, man. And like I said, this perfectly encapsulates the 90s in a retro shoe right here. Now, these come back usually like once every 5 some years. These are the 2019 pair, I think. Yeah, this is 2019 pair. They did come out with them before in 2014 or 2013. That's these right here. I didn't like this pair. The 2013 pair had some really, really crappy leather on them. The 2019 pair is probably the nicest pair that's come out in like the last 20 years. But every time these come out, they hit $300 plus on resale. I'm not even joking. You go ahead and look it up on Nike right now, or not Nike, on StockX or GOAT. You won't find a pair of these dead stock for under $300. It's just a shoe that comes back and all the OGs flock to it and they buy it and they kind of sell out before the hype beasts have a chance to kind of figure out what these were. But one thing I do want to let you guys know is that these shoes run real small. Like, okay, here is, what size is this? These are my leather breads right here. I just pulled that bitch off a foot, right? This is my leather bread. This is a size 12 Nike, right? Now I want you to look, we're gonna measure this up here. I want you to see that. See? This 12 fits like an 11 and a half. So I don't care if you're McLovin skinny, Michael Cera skinny, or you're JAYdotMAK fat. Size up at least a half on these. If you got a fat foot, because these bitches are narrow at the tip too, go up a full size. Because I usually wear like a size 11, 11 and a half in, you know, like Jordan 4s, 3s, shit like that. But these are a size 12, and I still had to pull the insole from them to keep that tip from being too narrow on me. Like, please believe when I tell you guys that Nike basketball shoes run narrow, please believe that the Nike tennis shoes run even more narrow. So I promise you, if you wear like a size 10, you will not regret getting a size 11 in these. And I not realized that after not wearing these for a while, but I brought these outside, and like this pair, like, oh my god, this pair yellowed like a motherfucker. Like, look at the tongue compared to the rest of the leather's oxidation, right? And this pair is starting to do the same thing. This pair is starting to cream up a bit too, so that's something you have to watch out for if you do buy used pairs. Just know that they do yellow pretty easily. But goddamn, how can you not like this shoe? There's a reason that this shoe always sells out every 5 years. 2014, 2019, and then now it's 2024, and they're coming back again. So, like I said, there's a reason why these bitches sell out every single time, and there's still motherfuckers out there that have no idea what they are because they ain't never had a chance. Like the hype beast never had a chance to get at these. Goddamn. I need to clean this shoe up though. Look, this bitch it's got some nice wear on it. It's one of the things that I've been trying to do is, instead of buying shoes the last bunch of years, is just enjoying the shoes that I have. And I've enjoyed the shit out of this shoe. I bought this shoe back in the day at Ross. You can see, like, this has the hang tag with the Nike thing on there, right? I got this at Ross for like $35, but I guess the thing broke, so Ross just kind of hit you with one of them cheap little Jones right there. But these were size 11, right? Size 11. And like I said, I usually wear a size 11. I can't even get my foot in this motherfucker. I can't even get my foot in this motherfucker. And they got some big fat insoles too, see? See, they got some big thick insoles. So, remember, size up at least a half on these hot lavas. If you got a fat foot, go a full size up. I wouldn't recommend going another full size and a half. Like, I might have to on the next pair that I get, because these size 12s still fit like an 11 and a half. But I'm a fat motherfucker. A lot of you guys might not have that issue. See, this happens to all my shoes. If you ever watch my videos and you're like, why is the bottom right hand corner of all your shoes super fucking dirty right here? And this is from fucking heel toeing while driving. See, I haven't driven stick in a while, so you don't see a lot of heel toe action on the left. Next car that I'm looking at might be a stick shift. It's been a while since I've owned a stick shift car. I don't know if I want to drive a stick shift car every single fucking day, but I do have another car that is automatic and an electric VW. So if I don't get rid of that car and I get another car, then it might just be a stick shift for the weekend. But yeah, hot lavas this summer, well, this fall I should say. I think it's coming like September, October. These motherfuckers are coming back to Andre Agassi's. Make sure that you get yourself a pair of these, because if you're gonna try to hit the resale market, expect to pay at least 3 on these. And these usually retail for like, I don't know, what was the retail on this last time? Yeah, $130. So you don't want to get caught paying $300 on $130 just because you slept. You know what I mean? Goddamn. But this has been another episode of JAYdotMAK. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe. If you really thumb up on the video, I'd highly appreciate it, because it gives me motivation to make more videos for y'all motherfuckers that watch my motherfucking videos. If you got any questions, comments, anything you want to share about these hot lavas, you know, anything like fucking, or correct me of the Yeezy 1 or 2. I think it was the Yeezy 2 that had this sole. But you can correct me if I'm wrong, but do that in the comment section down below. My name's Jay, Morning After Kill. Thanks Whoa! Whoa! This has been another episode of JAYdotMAK. There's no more than afterkill over here on this channel. Let me get the fuck out of here before... Look, see? I told you that cloud looks threatening. Like, these are all fluffy and shit, and then this motherfucker's like, I'm gonna rain on your parade. Hey! It's the squirrel! What up, girl? Come on back. Yeah. I got you. Come on. Come here. On the side. Hey, yo. Yeah. There you go. Come on. Come get the nut. That's what she said. Let me come get the nut. Come here, Squirrely. You ain't gotta run away. I got more. I got a whole ass pack of nuts. I always keep nuts in my pocket. It's a good snack. Let's throw this one out that way. She'll find it. Look at her. She's out there eating that shit. Little woodland critter. What up? Look at that face. Fuck you looking at like that. I just gave you nuts and you looking at me all crazy and shit, bro. I'll fuck that squirrel up. But yo, this is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Let you guys know. But just fucking leave a thumbs up. You know, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Peace.